My name is Dr. Chiamaka Obasi. I'm a lecturer at Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka, Nigeria. I'm a plant breeder by profession, and coming to this program has really been, I see it as a wonderful opportunity. It's a dream come true, actually, because before I left, I was talking to my project student and I said, henceforth, we're going to be having records of all the research processes, because I'm a plant breeder, but I'm involved in organic agriculture. So I told her we're going to be having records of all the processes of her research work. Then we have a documentary. And when I got the notification to be here, I felt it was a dream come true. So coming here, I've learned a lot, starting from the script writing, the blogging. As a matter of fact, I've created my blog already and I did my first publishing. It's a dream come true for me. And learning about the film production, the video production, for me, it was, yes, it's tasking, but it's worth it. Then going to interact with the farmer, Christopher, the experience is out of this world. For the first time, I met a farmer who was truly practicing agroecology and organic agriculture for real. You know, it's not just about talking about it, but doing it practically. I was wowed. As a matter of fact, the man, he took us around this farm. We were able to see a lot of crops, 3 crops that I've not seen all my life. I saw cocoa, I saw coffee, I saw vanilla, I saw jackfruits, and so many of them I can't even talk about here. In fact, his farm is a complete agroecology farm. He has the animal farm also, and he has a crop farm. And it was an experience I won't forget all my life. In fact, I will tell it to my children. Then all that I've learned here, in fact, is going to be a very big tool for me as a lecturer, because going back now, we're not just going to be allowing our research work to end on the shelves. No, we're going to make sure that everything we do is put into a video production and, of course, posted out for the world to see. Then another thing I learned was the part of telling our stories. You know, it was fun actually, because I could imagine telling my mom in the village about my research work. You know, I saw it as something interesting, because I know if I was telling my mom about plant breeding, she would not understand. But on the first day of the training, I was taught how to actually relate to my mom in a lay language that she could understand what I was saying. And it was fun writing the story. As a matter of fact, I spoke with my mom after the first day and I was sharing with her some of the things. And she was so excited. So I told her about the gifts that was given to us. In fact, at this point, I want to say thank you to Access Agriculture. I want to say thank you to RUFORUM. I won't forget this opportunity, and I'm not taking it for granted. I also want to appreciate them for the camera. I won't forget it. I've been so excited about it. Like something I've been looking for all this while. I just got it in my arms. I want to say thank you to the organizers of this program. God bless you.